Keep it coming, slowly now. All right, the gates are secured. Move it in. Everything seems to be in order here. Okay, team, let's move them slowly. Watch the ramps.
Easy now, big fella. You're doing just fine. Watch your step there. That's it.
Venganza, venganza. Keep moving. Next chute on the right, hurry up.
The automated washing sequence is now complete. Please proceed to the drying station.
This way, boys!
It's all right, big guy. Just checking on you. You're looking good today.
The data of the new arrivals is logged in the system.
Good. Let's double check the feed distribution in the far aisle.
Easy now, big guy. Just a little further. You're doing great.
The alignment looks good on table 3. Confirming the scan parameters now. Data stream is stable.
The curvature looks optimized now. Batch 001 is ready for the printer.
Check the alignment on the next batch.
Already done, moving to polishing now.
Absolutely flawless. They look incredible.
Finish on these is absolutely flawless.
Agreed. That's the last batch cleared for shipping. Okay, lowering it gently now.
Perfect. Check the center for any defects.
Precision is paramount when dealing with this grade of leather. The laser alignment is complete.
The precision on this curve is absolutely flawless. Look at that edge.
We are running low on the handles at station 3.
They are on the way. Keep the line moving.
This one is perfect. Approved.
Yes, send it through.
Make sure the gold clasps are protected.
Yes, placing the foam now.
We need more boxes at Station 4.
Ensuring the integrity of all luxury shipments. This one is ready for transport.
Mega MFG, optimizing your supply chain with unparalleled precision.
Perfect. This one is ready to ship.
Is that the approved shipment for the South Bay?
Yeah, setting it down now. Looks good to go.
Received with thanks.
Bạn sànhคือสอนใจยิงเส้นปากคอนสิงคอยนะครับเมื่อแฉบสุกในเครื่องดิชาเป็นคน3 ปาก8ช่อนนะครับขอกับ
That is exquisite craftsmanship. Look at the logo. It's beautiful. It just screams luxury.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public information and computers concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator's content. This video is information only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.